Welcome to our Season 2 finale. Our stay so far at the Mesa Regal RV Park and Resort has been very busy, and we do not miss any of the snow they got back at home. This place is really a resort, with a ton of sports, hobbies, and events that you wonder where you'll find the time to even get out of the resort. For now, I've settled on pickleball, bocce ball, and ping pong, while Caroline is doing a ton of yoga, strength training, and Zumba, and also she included line dancing. Everyone is very welcoming, and you feel like you've known them for many years, just like the second family. The weather has been amazing in December, with heat record of 24 to 26 Celsius, while the averages are 15 to 17 Celsius, and sunshine for over 21 continuous days. While we have different personal activities, we team up for hiking. And this time, we visited the Superstition Mountains and did the easy 3 miles hieroglyphic trail. So different from any hike we ever did, being in the desert with all these saguaros cacti around us. The saguaros are the largest cacti in the USA. On the trail, as you slowly climb up the mountains, it offers a very nice view of the valley and the other mountains around. As you reach the top of the trail, you have a small waterfall where all the hieroglyphs are. The Superstition Mountains sit in a desertic climate and have an elevation of over 6,000 feet or 1,900 meters, and has a ton of hiking trails. It also contains the Apache Trail, which we'll cover in the next episode. On our way back, we stopped to have lunch at the Barrio Brewing for a very tasty burger and beers. For the holidays, we originally planned Christmas to be in the Los Angeles area at Carolyn's sister Katia and Blake. But the weather was very bad, so we changed it up for New Year's Eve instead. On our way to California, we did a quick pit stop at the Joshua Tree National Park. The park is huge, and from the south side, you don't see any of the Joshua trees. You'd need to drive to the north side, where the Mojave Desert is, to see them. We will be back camping and explore this big park in the future, that's for sure. For New Year's Eve, we had dinner at Salsa and Beer in North Hollywood, and the food was very good. Afterwards, we had tickets for a comedy show at the Laugh Factory, and it was amazing celebrating the new year that way. On the 1st, we headed over to Zuma Beach in Malibu for a long walk on the beach. We got lucky, it was the only day it didn't rain. On the 2nd, we visited Disneyland. Although the weather was so-so, the park was amazing. We had a lightning ticket allowing us to skip the line, and we did many of the rides. The ones that impressed us the most was It's a Small World for Caroline, and the Star Wars set for me. I'm sure going to the park with kids must be even crazier with all the magic surrounding the place. Once again, our visit to California was really mesmerizing. And our host, the best there are as always. Thanks again. That is a wrap for this Season 2. Thanks for being with us in 2025, and see you soon for Season 3. It will be another packed year. With that, we'll leave you with a few of our favorite photos for this year.